We are now factoring complex trinomials. A simple trinomial starts with x squared. A complex trinomial starts with ax squared, where a is not 1. Because a is not 1, we must use a special strategy called the AC method. Here are the steps you will always follow. First, multiply a times c. Second, find two numbers that multiply to AC and add to b. Third, split the middle term using those two numbers. Fourth, factor by grouping. These four steps never change. Example 1. We are factoring 6x squared plus 11x plus 3. Step 1. Multiply a times c. A is 6. C is 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. Step 2. Find two numbers that multiply to 18 and add to 11. Two times 9 equals 18. 2 plus 9 equals 11. So the two numbers are 2 and 9. Step 3. Split the middle term using 2x and 9x. Now the expression has four terms. Step 4. Factor by grouping. Factor the first two terms. Factor the last two terms. Both groups now share the same binomial. When we factor out the common binomial, the final answer is 2x plus 3, multiplied by 3x plus 1. Let's take a look at this example together. Read the explanations on the screen and follow along as the steps are shown. Go ahead and pause the screen and work through these examples first. Remember, if A is not 1, use the AC method. Multiply A and C, find the pair. Split the middle. Factor by grouping. That's the entire process.